I'm Kai from By Kai, and today we're making spicy chicken nuggets with White Wings premium butter mix. So in this dish we use chicken breast rather than thigh fillet. The reason for that being that it is a more premium cut, and if you cook it just right, it is beautiful, lovely and juicy. We added a bunch of spices, smoked paprika for example, onion powder, garlic powder, giving it a beautiful, beautiful sort of barbecue spin on it. And it's a great dish for a bar snack or a pub lunch. The most important thing is to roll the chicken breast freshly into the spice mix and then cook it straight away rather than storing it. The great thing about this dish is that everybody loves chicken nuggets. They will be popular everywhere.